In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an iframe in Wix in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by first navigating to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head straight over to your site's dashboard. This is where all the magic begins, so make sure you're at the right place by locating the dashboard main screen with all your site's options. With the dashboard open, direct your attention to the option labeled Design Site. Click on it, and you'll find yourself entering the Wix website editor. This is the creative space where you can customize your site to your heart's content. On the left-hand side of the editor, there's a handy Add panel. This is where you can add all kinds of elements to your website. Look closely at the Add panel, and you'll find a section called Embed. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a couple of choices: Embed a site or Embed HTML. Choose the one that best fits your needs. If you're looking to simply embed an entire site within your Wix page, Embed a Site is the way to go. After selecting it, a settings panel will appear on the right side where you can enter the URL of the website you wish to display in the iframe. Just paste the URL into the provided field. Furthermore, this panel gives you options to adjust the iframe's size and layout, so take a moment to customize it to fit your design preferences. Alternatively, if you're aiming to insert specific HTML code, like a widget or a customized design, select Embed HTML. Again, a settings panel will open up, giving you space to paste your HTML code. Once you've entered your code, be sure to adjust the size and layout of the iframe here as well, as these settings are crucial for ensuring everything looks neat and fits seamlessly into your web page's layout. After embedding your iframe, you'll want to preview your changes to ensure everything appears just as you intend. Simply click on Preview to check how the embedded content looks on your site. If you're satisfied with the appearance and functionality, the final step is to make your changes live. Do this by hitting Publish, and just like that, your iframe is now live on your Wix website. Congratulations! You've successfully added an iframe to your Wix site in a matter of minutes. Whether you're showcasing an entire site or a specific piece of HTML content, the iframe is a versatile tool that gives you greater creative control over how visitors interact with your site. Keep experimenting with different layouts and styles to make the most out of this feature. Thanks for watching, and happy website designing!